We are taking our bikes from our home in Belgium on a trip across the Americas, from the southmost point in Ushuaia all the way up to Alaska. You are joining us now as we're finally starting our long way up.
We're, for the first time, leaving the utmost south, leaving Ushuaia, heading north towards Alaska. Our bikes are all packed.
Finally heading up north. We've been working to this point for the last 3 months. So yeah, it feels like the beginning of our trip actually.
So after 3 months in Europe and 3 months in South America, we can finally start properly.
Going north.
By Ushuaia. We're going north!
North! Yay! Look at this. I'm gonna miss the mountains, the snowy mountains, but we're going to bigger ones, so hey, these are the baby mountains. Iris is riding in front of me because I'm almost out of gas and it's only 18 kilometers to go, but we've been going through the gasoline super fast. And for one reason or the other, I will always use more than she does. The big problem is that I went to buy some bread. So I have 10 kilometers, I'm 10 kilometers down on Iris. Beep, deep, deep, beep, beep, deep, beep.
We just had lunch, it's 2:30 nearly, and we're over halfway on our first riding day north from Ushuaia. And it was going to be a long one, I think 20 kilometers. And it's going by very easy. We just need to hope that the border crossing goes smoothly from Argentina back into Chile. So fingers crossed, because then it's going to be an easy day. Whoop whoop! We'll need to try our Chilean Spanish again once we cross the border. Hi. It's without all the ch that they do here in Argentina.
We just looked at the weather report and we saw that tomorrow we should be in 25-degree weather already, which makes us happy. No, we haven't had that kind of weather since Southern Europe. Whee!
One more border to go, this time into Chile, back into Argentina tomorrow, and from then on it's gonna be Argentina for quite a while. Hey ho, let's go. There's already a lot of people in there. That's gonna be something. Crossing. Again, an easy border. Yep. Hope that I'm not gonna regret not putting my gloves on. Still no freaking border station in sight. My poor hands. I just realized we will have done all the land borders on Tierra del Fuego. There's only 2, admittedly, but we will have done them both. It's kind of cool, right? Paso Fronterizo San Sebastian. Okie dokie. We've got all our paperwork done, and then we should be fine. We just need to hand over a tiny piece of paper proving we did all the paperwork. So normally that's just a minute's work. Hola. Okay. No. Tenemos con noodles, noodles y pasta.
¿Ya?
That was the first time they actually checked our stuff. Yep, ready to roll. Nearly. Yeah.
If you're wondering about the blob, that's the only damage my camera took when it rolled off the mountain. Whoopsie daisy! And our sincerest apologies, but the blob is gonna be part of our trip for quite a while. Having fueled up, we got on with our day and bumped into the last ferry of Patagonia.
Hey.
This is actually a very special moment because we're leaving Tierra del Fuego behind. One, and two, it's probably gonna be our last ferry in a very long time. So we've been doing a lot of ferries, and yeah, in the meantime we're gonna get stuck with cars. And now it's 20 minutes, it's 7 in the evening, and it's our last ferry for a long time.
And we're hungry.
Oh, we're so freaking hungry.
So we're in a bit of a pickle. Our bikes are, well, the boat is going up and down a lot. We're getting instantly seasick because we're down here guarding our bikes because they're almost keeling over. Fucking hell. This really sucks.
And that's for our last ferry.
Yeah, we've been on the road for almost 500 kilometers now. 17 euro.
You'd never guess, but the nice people in the blue car just gave us the most delicious cake. Just like that.
Muy, muy rico. Gracias. Ja. Gracias. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Another bit of our very professional YouTubing.
We just had some dinner in this lovely restaurant. It's now 9:30, well 9:27. But if all goes well, yep, we should. I'm getting tired. We should find a place to stay in around 16 kilometers. So fingers crossed, because shit, it's been one hell of a day. So, this is where we will be sleeping tonight. It's proper clean, and we can look at our bikes. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. And look at the view. We've got our own signposts and everything. Today we rode nearly 500 kilometers. What was it? 400?
497 kilometers.
Sadly, we don't both fit on the bench, so we improvised a ground floor and a bench floor and our sitting room.
And now we've got an absolutely fucking terrible imitation of what's it called? Snickers.
Yeah. The view is amazing. It's now 10:30 in the evening, so we'll have our terrible Snickers and go to bed.
Hey.
What a day. And the day, the kilometers included needing to take a ferry, which was wobbly as fuck.
Absolutely terrible, actually. It was the worst ferry we've had so far, and we had a few.
The worst and probably the last in a while. Mm-hmm. And we had a border crossing, so we're kind of proud.
La.
La. The views from our beds this evening. From our, I don't know if it's a bus stop or really a refugio. It's now already 10 past 11 at night. And we still have sunshine, so it doesn't feel very late. Good night.
Morning.
Time to clean up our home for the night and hit the road again.
To Puerto something.
Oh!
She's got it. She's been jumping about for 5 minutes, trying to catch a little moth that was inside. Because she told it she was cleaning up.
Yeah!
But it didn't listen.
It didn't listen and it kept trying to get into our luggage. Bye bye shelter / bus stop. We're heading out. Probably lock it back into Argentina. Remember that we said that the border crossings between Chile and Argentina in general were easy? Well, look at Jonas's face.
They're still easy, but there's a big but in the room.
And the row zigzags on inside. And yeah, it's gonna be a really, really, really long row. Sadly, we also wanted to ride more than 400 kilometers today. So,
We'll
fuck.
see. There is about 400 people in front of us, one for every kilometer.
We're kind of frustrated. It's now, I don't know if I want to see the time, 12:39. We left this morning at 10 o'clock, about 10-15 kilometers from the border. So we've started crossing the border, 10:15 maybe.
Yeah, I'm actually quite pissed off because we had a destination and it was quite a nice looking destination with like an old replica wooden sailing boat and nice camping by the beach, 25 degrees. And now we're probably just fucked for the day and probably need to camp somewhere out in the pampa, and we don't have lunch. Hola. Puerto Santa Lucia? No. Santa Juana?
Santa Juana, here we come. But not before helping this stranded biker to a bit of our gasoline.
También necesitamos de gasolina.
Também não quero que vocês fiquem também sem gasolina.
Leaving terrible Spanish guy behind, we went further into the Argentinian nothingness.
Alright, so Houston, I've got a problem. This is my tire, and I thought it might get me to Trillu still, but Trillu is about 1,000 kilometers from here, and I'm starting to ride on the rubber in between the knobs. And that obviously is a very, very, very bad idea. So, yeah, that sucks. The closest thing to a city that we'll be encountering will be Puerto San Juana or something. So I hope I could find me a tire there, because this one is going at an alarming rate. That's 220 kilometers. That will be fine, I hope. A bit of a whoopsie, yeah. We shall continue. It's another 216 kilometers to San Juan. So yeah, just take it easy and enjoy life. And it's already 5:20.
Let me show you around in the campsite we arrived. The bikes. It's quite late actually, it's already 7 o'clock I think. And look! We have our own nice little place with a private entrance.
just landed ourselves in the middle of summer. It's proper warm. I think it's in the sun. It's still 25 degrees or something.
20, yeah, and she said yesterday it was 30 degrees here.
Yes!
Now we're gonna turn off the camera and undress completely.
Absolutely.
Good morning.
She started recording before I was ready.
Yesterday we didn't update you anymore because I was so tired and I had a really bad headache, I think from the wind playing with my neck. But today we have problems to solve.
One teeny tiny problem, which is my tire.
I think he showed it to you right. We're not gonna make it to Trilou.
That might be a long shot. But at the end of the day, I'll have a tire to show for it.
I don't think so, let's see. Summer vibes!
Chaos, but warm chaos.
Yeah, we have to be honest, packing up today.
But today is one of those days, it's the first time it's hot. So we were like relaxing in the shade and we're being white.
Yeah, very white.
Very white.
And I even took
And there's a
off
birdie.
my cap.
Birdie, birdie, birdie.
And Jonas is very distracted. And we maybe found the tire solution.
Already. Like I said, tire today.
Look! We still have a few hundred kilometers to go. But yeah, let's see. The search for a tire begins. Okido. Ciao, muchas gracias. Ciao. Sad update. They had an 18-inch wheel, but it was not wide enough, so no way it would fit. Especially with a heavy-duty inner tube in there, which we sadly didn't have because there was no other option. So we're gonna continue.
A short summary for today. This is today. Some guanacos on the left, some nothing on the right, and Iris in front of me. Ta-da! And today is a short ride, but if you go 400 kilometers on from here, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be exactly the same. Argentina is huge, and there's a lot of the same stuff going on. So yeah, Ruta 3, it gets you places.